Do you know about Amazon rainforest?
The Amazon rainforest is a vast and diverse ecosystem that spans across several South American countries, including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, and Ecuador. It is often referred to as the lungs of the earth due to its role in producing oxygen and regulating the global climate. The rainforest is home to millions of species of plants, animals, and insects, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. It is also home to indigenous communities who have lived in harmony with the forest for centuries. However, the Amazon rainforest is facing numerous threats, including deforestation, illegal logging, and climate change. Efforts must be made to protect this invaluable natural treasure for future generations.